Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop browsing history on Chrome. Now, if we go to our browser and search for anything, hello, then if we just go to our history, we can see that the history has been saved. Now, to stop this, what you need to do is close Chrome. Just close Chrome, go to Start, right click on it, go to Run, then just type app data, click on OK, go to Local, find Google here, go to Chrome, go to User Data, go to Default, find the file called History here. After that, right click on it, go to Properties, and check this box, Read Only, click on Apply, click on OK. Now open Google Chrome again. Now search for anything. Now go to History again. And from now on, your history won't be saved. And that is how to stop browsing history on Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.